The Makergroup GU24 LED Bulb 23 watt emits a soft, warm white light at a color temperature of 2700 K to 3000 K, making it perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This bulb is highly efficient, using only 10 watts of power to provide the same brightness as an 80 to 100 watt incandescent bulb, offering significant energy savings. While it is slightly longer than a conventional bulb, its easy plug-and-play installation ensures that it can be conveniently fitted into your light fixtures. This bulb is versatile and ideal for a variety of applications, such as bathroom ceiling fans, kitchens, hallways, and pendants. With a life expectancy of 35,000 hours, the Makergroup GU24 LED Bulb 23 watts offers long-lasting performance, ensuring less frequent replacements and more value for your money. The manufacturer offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, including a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year hassle-free warranty, underscoring their confidence in the product's quality and reliability.